Hey everyone, CPO here, and listen, if you're a content creator, AKA a YouTuber or other video producer, you gotta check this out. If you're like me, you're always looking for ways to get unique camera shots and camera angles, and it'd be cool to have a cameraman to follow you around, so that's why we buy these drones, and that works great in a lot of situations where you're out doing things. But I'm getting ready to do a video doing a product install on my son's Jeep while he's off training with the Army, and I was thinking, man, it'd be really cool if I could like get the DJI camera tracking capability off of a camera that's just, you know, sitting on a tripod or something. And I thought, I wonder if the DJI Active Track capability exists when it's not in flight. And spoiler alert, it does. So check this out. I have the camera turned on, and let me hit record here. So this camera is recording, and right now it's just, you know, doing its default positioning. And you can see here I have the controller for it. I'm just gonna set it up here on my wife's van. And then I wanna make sure that her van isn't actually gonna be in the shot. I think we're good to go there. Put it right to the edge. If my wife's van wasn't here, I mean, I could use a tripod or a ladder or something like that. I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm gonna fold these legs back so the camera can actually shoot a little bit further forward than the legs. Oh, I like that. So as you can see here, I'm in view of the camera now. It is recording. And I'm not actually gonna take off. I'm just gonna record just like this. So the cool thing is, check this out. I could just track myself, defaults to spotlight mode, which is just perfect. And now I literally have a cameraman following me around as I talk to my audience, which right now is you guys. So yeah, this is it, man. This is pretty cool, I think, and I haven't seen anybody actually highlight the value of this particular thing, where you can use this as a, you know, an A camera, B camera, whatever, and it will track you. Check it out. Watch, I'm gonna come in here to the garage. It lost me, picks me back up, tracks me around. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is pretty cool. Anyway, I'm not gonna belabor this point. I am gonna do this for the video on my other channel, O3D Jeeps. You'll see the intro come from this DJI camera if you wanna check that out. I'll throw a link in here in the description of this YouTube video when I get the other video done. I don't know when that's gonna be, but I wanted to test this capability to see if it would even work first, and it does. Like, that's pretty awesome. You have a cameraman following you around while you talk to your audience, and I don't have the sound of the props. I don't have the sound of the drone happening. It's just stationary. So, and the battery lasts a super long time because the motors aren't running. So literally you're just using it as a 4K camera with a built-in tracking capability. That's pretty cool. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.